Every winning trader sees something beginners never notice. It's not indicators. It's not signals. It's market structure, the real language of price. And once you understand it, everything becomes clear. Today, I'm going to teach you market structure in a way you've never heard before. Simple. Clear. No confusion. By the end of this video, you will finally understand the trend, the story of price, and how to trade with confidence. What is market structure? Market structure is the natural movement of price. The way the market creates highs and lows. And every time price moves, it tells you a story. When price creates higher highs and higher lows, buyers are in control. When price creates lower highs and lower lows, sellers are in control. When price moves sideways, nobody is in control. Why market structure matters? Most beginners lose money because they ignore structure. They buy when price is falling. They sell when price is rising. They chase candles. They panic. They guess. But once you understand market structure, you stop guessing. You start predicting. You start trading with direction, not emotion. The 3 types of market structure. In an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. This means buyers are pushing price up. Every pullback is a buying opportunity. So in the uptrend, the pullback setup is for traders who prefer safety, clarity, control, low stress entries. Here's how it works. 1. Identify the trend. 2. Wait for price to pull back to your zone. 3. Look for slowing candles. 4. Entry on a rejection or continuation candle. This setup is perfect for beginners, trader who want high accuracy, scalper who avoid emotional entries. It is not fast, but it is consistent. In a downtrend, price makes lower highs and lower lows. Sellers control the market. Every rally is a selling opportunity. This is the most consistent and powerful scalping setup. It works because price always respects momentum and patient trader always looking for the safety. The setup flows like this. 1. Break of structure. Price breaks a previous low with strong momentum. 2. Retracement back into the zone. Price pulls back to the breakout point or imbalance zone. 3. Confirmation. A rejection candle, order block, or momentum shift. 4. Continuation. Price follows the original direction and completes the wave. This setup is high probability because it aligns trend direction, market structure, momentum, smart money concepts, session timing. Thousands of traders chase breakouts. Professionals wait for retests. The retest is where your confidence lives. The retest is where your clarity lives. The retest is where your probability is highest. You don't enter the breakout. You enter after the breakout. Because the market always gives a second chance to the patient trader. When price moves sideways between support and resistance, this is a range. This is where beginners lose money. Professionals stay patient. Beginners get trapped. Avoid large trades in range. Structure break, the turning point. Trends do not last forever. They break. And this is where the biggest opportunities happen. When an uptrend fails to create a new higher high, and price creates a lower low, that's a shift. When a downtrend fails to create a new lower low, and price creates a higher high, the story is changing. Imagine you are climbing stairs. Step up, small step down, step up again. That's an uptrend. But the moment you step down below your previous step, you stopped climbing. Trend broken. Beginners try to trade everything. Professionals trade structure only. If you fix your structure understanding, your trading changes forever. Here's the routine you can follow today. This alone removes 70 to 80% of your losing trades. Market structure is not just a concept. It is your trading foundation. Your anchor. Your clarity. When you understand the story behind the candles, you stop trading with fear. And you start trading with purpose. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to take this lesson with you on the go, in your car, on your walk, or anywhere, check out the audio lecture. It's the same powerful lesson, just in audio format, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. The link is in the description, and it's ready for you. If this video helped you, subscribe and stay connected. More trading simplicity, more psychology, more clarity, coming every week.